Selling on BigIron.com September 10th, 2014. 1995 John Deere 8100 tractor with 10,336 hours showing. It has a power shift transmission with 16 forward and 4 reverse gears, a 6-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine. The rear duals are 18.4 R46s, and the front tires are 380 84 R34s. It has 160 horsepower, 4 hydraulics, a quick hitch, mechanical 4-wheel drive, a big 1000 PTO, air conditioner and heat, a block heater, and a Kenwood radio. For more information, call Jim at 308-946-3041. Thank you for visiting BigIron.com.